Wow, we've come a long way and you've learned a lot already. Now's a good time to stop and give yourself a big pat on the back. In this module, we've looked at ways we can use to tell a computer to do an action repetitively. Python gives us 3 different ways to perform repetitive tasks: while loops, for loops, and recursion. We use while loops when we want to do an operation while a certain condition is true, or alternatively until it becomes false. We use for loops when we want to iterate over the elements of a sequence or a range of numbers. And we use recursion when the problem is best solved in smaller steps and then combining those steps towards a larger solution. If you're still not sure which is the best tool to choose for a specific problem, don't worry, that's normal. As you keep practicing your automation skills, choosing between one option and another will become natural. So next time you find yourself doing the same or similar things over and over again, that's your call to see if you can use a loop to get your computer to do the work for you. Up next, it's test time again, with the next graded assessment. Like always, remember you can take as much time as you need before taking the assessment. Go at your own pace, review everything we've covered, and practice the examples so there's no chance loops will ever throw you for a loop.